All right, that looks really amazing. This is by Canva. So let's open this. Here we have this a little Canva sticker, also a pen. Okay, let's keep it aside. And also, this is really amazing. A cool tote bag. This is looking good. And this is another rack. Yeah, this is for affinity acquisition dedicated to. So yeah, this is also looks great, and it is mentioned here affinity at the rate Canva create. Yeah, so these are amazing two bags. Also, what we have inside, let's open this. Okay, this is really amazing. A personalized Canva community jacket for Canva Verified Expert. So let's wear this. All right, that looks really amazing, isn't it? This is Canva pen. So let's open this one also. Sound is amazing. Bye.